In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach folder in Gmail. Gmail doesn't let you attach an entire folder directly, but there's a simple workaround that keeps everything organized. The idea is to turn your folder into a single file before attaching it. We'll do that by compressing it into a .zip file on your computer, and then we'll attach that one file to your email. Start by going to the folder on your computer that you want to send. Make sure all the files you need are already inside. Now, right-click the folder. In the menu that appears, look for the option to compress it. On many computers, this is labeled Compressed Zipped Folder, and on some systems, it may appear simply as Compress. Click that. Your computer will create a new .zip file in the same location as the original folder. This .zip file contains all the contents of the folder, neatly packed into one attachment-ready file. If you see a progress bar, wait for it to finish before moving on, especially if the folder is large. Next, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in if you aren't already. Click the Compose button to start a new email. In the message window that opens, look toward the bottom for the paperclip icon, which is the Attach button. Click the paperclip. A file selection window will pop up. Navigate to the location where your new zip file was created, select that zip file, and click Open. Gmail will begin uploading the file to your email. You'll see a small progress indicator. Give it a moment to complete. If the .zip file is large, this might take a little while. Gmail supports attachments up to 25 megabytes, and if your file is bigger, Gmail may automatically offer to send it using Google Drive instead so your recipient can download it. Once the attachment finishes uploading and you've added your recipient and message, click Send. That's it. By zipping the folder first, you've turned many files into one, making it easy for Gmail to attach and deliver. Your recipient will receive a single .zip file. They can download it and extract or unzip the contents on their computer to access all the files exactly as they were organized in your original folder. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Give your zip file a clear name so your recipient knows what to expect. And remember that very large folders may take time to upload and send. This simple approach keeps your email tidy and ensures the entire folder reaches the inbox in one go.